Hey guys, good afternoon. Just want to give you a little shout out. This is Misty from Misty Scraps, high quality 3D printing and more. Here you're looking at my new project. This is called a Grump Dragon, and he's a day print. So excited! I just got the new filament just now to get him started with. I just wanted to thank every and each one of you for all your guys' support my page, support my new group page. If whoever's not following, please join. Its community's awesome. A great way to meet new friends, new followers, show off your pages, your ideas. Um, just just make new friends. So, anyways, I just wanted to just touch base with you guys that what I've been working on and appreciate and tell you everybody that I do love you guys and thank you. Here I'm working on a Minecraft bee. Just got done with this one. I got 8 of them to do. I 3D print out the inserts. Because the cardboard, like they say to use, is like, nah, forget it. They don't work. I don't like them. So, but that's what I've been working on, all these small items, because lately nobody likes to spend a whole lot of money lately. So I've been doing a lot of smaller items for my table, crocheting and 3D printing. It seems like they've been going really fast off my table. And then the bigger items. They're usually around $10 each, and that's a strategy I've been doing lately to sell a lot more items. I do 3D printing in the minis, instead of the bigger dragons like this one here, and so yeah, I just wanted to just touch base with you guys and tell you thank you so much, and I hope we can all grow together. Here is my new group page, and it pretty much tells you in the title what we're about and what I'm about, and I'm here to help you guys to uh, make a stronger community that actually can grow together and build something instead of just a follow to a follow. I mean, that's not really engagement. I mean, yes, it's getting followers, but this page is all of it. It's following each other, engaging, showing off your work. If you got ideas, I love to hear them. I'm sure we all love to hear them. We all love to see your work. Especially me, love to see your work. And this is a way we can engage a little more better with each other. And then always trying to find our news feeds. I mean, yes, it gets a little overwhelming because, I mean, we follow so many people, each one of us, and we got all these coming up news in our news feed. So I think this will be a little more easier to connect and stay connected more, besides what comes in our news feeds on our pages. And I hope to see everybody to come together and love to help. And I've been throwing out some tips too, as well, on my new group page to help guide you guys to better your pages if needed. I know it's not for everyone, as I state, but there is a lot of us that that are looking to improve our pages, and that way we can monetize and earn more. But I get it. It's not for everyone. But just keep scrolling if it's not for you, and just scroll for what you see and what you're interested in, and don't forget, invite your friends. Like, love, and share. Right? That's used to my mom always told me. Love, like, and share. Yes. Rest her soul. Yes, wonderful woman. That's where I get it from, of course. Yes, my dad's awesome too. Yeah, I take care of him. He's 81 years old. I take care of my granddaughter. There she is, playing over there where she's not supposed to be playing. Helping out my daughter. She's working mom. And I totally forgot how much work a 9-month-old baby really is. Yes, I got 3 daughters, and yes, I get it, totally, but you forget. That's the thing. It's been 16 years. It's my youngest child right now, 16. I got 3 girls. So yeah, I've been doing that, running, taking my youngest daughter, my 16-year-old, to school, take care of my father, take him grocery shopping, doctors, appointments, which I have one tomorrow I gotta take him to, and I do everything else. I crochet, I 3D print, I handcraft jewelry, tie-dye. Yes, Sadie, that's my doggy, Sadie, my baby. Another rescue. All my animals I rescue. Hi, Sadie. Say hi. Hi, Sadie, baby. My love. Yeah, we don't want to lick the phone. Okay. So anyways, get back to it. Sorry, guys, making this so long. But I just want to get myself out there as a real person. We're always behind the screen and typing away and talking. So, yes, this is me, Misty Scraps. Thank you. Mwah, mwah. Sending love.